Today, we invite you to embark on a journey through the rich history and enchanting festivities of La Samaritaine, a legendary department store nestled in the heart of Paris. Founded in 1870 by the visionary duo Ernest Cognac and Marie-Louise J., La Samaritaine has undergone a transformative makeover, evolving from a small apparel shop to an expansive complex boasting 90 departments. The architectural splendor, including the Art Nouveau glass roof and Henri Sauvage's impressive Art Deco facade, has earned it the status of a historical monument. After 7 years of meticulous renovation, La Samaritaine reopened its doors to the public on June 23, 2021, unveiled by none other than French President Emmanuel Macron. Today, it stands as a symbol of luxury, housing a department store, the opulent Le Cheval Blanc Hotel, offices, social accommodations, and even a nursery. As we approach the festive season, from November 8, 2023 to January 9, 2024, La Samaritaine transforms into a palais des délices, a palace of delights where the French art of living and gourmet indulgence takes center stage. The Christmas spirit radiates from every corner, with giant Christmas trees, shimmering decorations, and grandiose chandeliers setting the stage for a magnificent celebration. The magic unfolds in the atrium, inviting you into the whimsical world of Charlie et la Chocolaterie, while artists Gab Boers and Thomas Liu Leland showcase their quirky gourmet creations throughout the store. The atmosphere is nothing short of enchanting, promising a blend of fashion, decoration, and gastronomic delights. Venturing into the Christmas window displays is like stepping into a fairy tale. Giant fir trees adorned with silver platters create a mouth-watering spectacle, surrounded by glittering fir tree pieces and dancing mannequins. En Rue de la Monnaie, the French art of entertaining is exquisitely illustrated with majestic chandeliers by Mathieu Lustrerie. As you explore La Samaritaine during this magical season, don't miss the giant advent calendar adorning the various floors, offering daily surprises to those who participate. Awaiting you are exceptional gifts, ranging from holidays and fashion to jewelry and delicacies, ensuring that the anticipation until Christmas is filled with joy. Are you ready to immerse yourselves in the wonderful world of the festive season at La Samaritaine? Let the magic of Christmas unfold in this iconic Parisian landmark, where tradition meets innovation, and every corner tells a tale of luxury, art, and the joy of the holiday season. Be sure to add La Samaritaine to your bucket list when exploring this incredible city. We wish you a Merry Christmas and happy exploring.